Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start in Google Pay while logged into the same Google account that pays Spotify. Open the app or pay. Google.com, then go straight to payments or subscriptions. This is where recurring charges live. Once there, look for any entry labeled Spotify or showing the monthly charge amount so you're on the correct subscription. Make sure the payment method displayed matches what Spotify charges. This prevents canceling the wrong autopay. Now you're ready to select that Spotify subscription and move to payment details. Once you've opened the Spotify subscription details, tap Manage or the three-dot menu to show actions you can take. Choose Edit or Payment Method to see the option to stop autopay or remove the linked card. This unregisters Google Pay from auto-charging Spotify. You may need to confirm that you want to cancel recurring payments. Do that. Also check the listed next billing date and amount so you know when the change takes effect and whether you keep access until that date. Confirm the stop by accepting any prompts and wait for an on-screen confirmation, then check your email for a receipt or cancellation notice. Once done, verify in Spotify account settings that the subscription shows as canceled or switching to free. This ensures both sides are synced. If charges persist, remove the payment method from Google Pay or contact Google Pay support and provide the charge details. A quick tip: clear app cache and recheck pages if UI options aren't appearing correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.